You know what we need in the background? I'm sexy and I know it. Oh, here we go. Some things in life should really not be illegal.
Just be careful. Oh, I don't know if they should.
Wait, should you turn that slide on?
Or not all be on it at once.
Oh wait, no, Storm! Lexi, wait. Storm! Jess!
Storm!
Grab Storm! She'll
Jessie!
nip at them. Hold on! Wait, not with Storm. She'll nip at you.
Yeah, come on.
She's trying to save you.
Storm!
Ready?
Coming with me. No!
I got it.
All right.
And I get the driest one. Come on!
I missed him coming down the
I did.
slide.
I got the video. Though.
I
got
have
the
him.
video.
We ran out of sangria.
Jason, you want to go?
Look, Storm's gonna go in. Watch. She's gonna jump right on them.
She's not going to get the bottom and rip it though, right? Because she's.
She's like, don't tease me. I'm told I'm not allowed to go in the pool.
She's gonna go.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah,
She goes, ready?
I love Fluffy.
Okay, girls, your turn.
Yeah, okay.
Storm! Oh, Storm!
Honestly, think that was gonna happen?
Storm!
Thought I'd
Go
try.
ahead. It's okay. Go ahead.
It's okay.
I'll let you in this one time. Go ahead.
She's a good girl.
Jason,
Storm.
dude, he's already mushroom cat.
Go ahead, Storm. Go in the pool. Go. Go
He's like,
ahead.
what are you? God, that's cold. Alright. Get in the deep end. Just get in the deep end. It's actually warmer.
That's because they just peed.
Come on, honey. Come on, Storm. Come on, honey.
She just got really cussed out yesterday for going in.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Bad. I tore her up yesterday for going in. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that is cute.
Now she's going,
Oh, that's awesome.